Excuse me, madam, you can't park here. Welcome to DMOT Garage. Have a look in the background. We have Elle the 64 bug here, and we are getting ready to put the new motor into it, or the refurbished motor. So let's come across here. We'll just help them get it off the trailer and go from here. Excuse me, madam, you can't park here.
I didn't want to park here.
Okay, we're going to... Oh, that's a bit of a bendy on the number plate there. We've got to move that, actually. It's got to go into the middle at some point, so...
The forward drive, you lift it up for the wing.
Yeah. Okay. They are... They want you to have precision driving. Look how narrow this thing is. Look at this.
Designed for the beetle wing.
What the hell? Anyway, it's out. Righto guys, so we're back from the top garage and we're just continuing nipping up the last final parts on the engine. We've put the flywheel on, the main seal, the front pulley, a couple of little bits and pieces, bits of tinware. Flywheel clutch is going on now. And all this was cleaned not more than a month ago, so... Well, that was a month of running, wasn't it? Because of all the leaks this thing had, it wasn't... It wasn't good.
We decided it's too noisy, but we can do something about that.
Yeah. The ticker.
The tick and time bomb.
There was a bit of a tick and time bomb. Oh, look, the other guys are back. There they are. Yeah. Turn your car around and back it in. Let's see if you can do sign language. Turn your car around and back it in.
Make sure you use the right finger.
Because we're going to use the back of your ute. They're called utes in Australia, not trucks. That is not a truck. It's probably more an SUV, isn't it? Four-wheel drive. We call them four-wheel drives here. But that has the ute bed on the back, which is utility. I'm not sure about these Rangers. Yeah, I don't know. They seem to have motor problems. We're gonna put it right all the way to the concrete so that we can put the motor in the back of your... Have you got room in there for a motor? Not really.
Right there.
Yeah, that would work.
Would work.
Yeah. Okay, so we'll probably just have to make some... Maybe move that. All right, I'll bring you guys back in a sec and we'll get this thing ready.
Watch your toes. Got your safety boots on, Nick?
Yeah. I've got me Crocs. Woohoo! This is my big wheelbarrow. That's not going anywhere.
The extra 40 horse that a Ranger needs to move.
Correct. Yeah, look. No hands, Mum.
Where's your roller skates?
Where's my roller skates? I need them, don't I? It's actually pretty solid, I think, because it's got that flat tinware on it.
Purple beard.
Purple. Yeah, all good, man. Not going anywhere.
It looks safer than the bug on the back of a bloody tandem.
It actually does, doesn't it? Oh, you know what we're going to have to do now? Is get that machine. And that weighs a ton. Didn't think of that, did we?
Which machine?
The one that we used to get it up onto here. Because how are we going to get it from here now onto the ground?
I just assumed there was an upstairs downstairs version.
Oh God, no. There's only got one of those things. Yeah. Did you put it on with it? Eh? No. He rolled it up behind and it just went straight on like it was made to do it.
Yeah, I had the white plate next to you, spin it 90 degrees and slide off the table.
Perfect.
Oh, okay, cool.
Oh, you mean to have it the other way?
No, it's all good.
Yeah.
And you know, instead of these clamps, you can actually use a rubber.
Grommet.
Yeah, rubber.
Yes.
We won't do that because that sounds too obvious.
Well, look at this, guys. It's starting to look pretty damn nice from over here, I tell you. We need a... Oh, shit, that's like a 19.
Oh, shit.
Spanner, open spanner. 19. Yeah. 19. Sorry, 20... Might be 22. You might not
22.
have one. Big enough. 22.
Spark plug socket on it. Well, that, yeah, 23 or 22?
22.
22.
22.
Hut.
Fail.
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 We need one bit, probably up the other end here.
Actually, what you used was that? 24.
Yeah, the one on the end near the... Yeah, that one. Near the purple pulley. The last spanner.
Biggest one.
The last spanner.
Actually,
Yeah, that one.
that one.
Yeah.
Why'd they change the numbers over there? Because it's halves.
Because they're fools. Fools. Look
Oh,
at
I just
Really?
don't
that.
understand.
Demock knows
how
what
you
he's
know.
doing sometimes. Only sometimes, though.
Boys
I can't
learn
do that,
different things.
Working on them.
Where I'm from, we call the local mechanic the golden spanner. And my lady moved to town and she'd heard it so many times she thought it was like a quality nickname, like that it meant a good thing, and she said
Oh,
it
it
to
was
him.
a hack.
He charges so much, he has golden.
No,
perfect
but
tools.
she said
Oh, right.
it to him. She
Oh,
was
really?
like, I've heard you're the golden spanner, like it was like a badge of honour to
Yeah.
her. Not like you charge so much that you rip everybody off.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I just love... How cool is this? There's the VW stamp on that.
Oh,
That's
on that one.
fucking cool as, man.
I wonder if is it under there then?
Yeah, you put it up the wrong way.
You put it up the wrong way, Mark.
Or did you put it up the right way?
Well, who knows?
Oh, look, those exhaust tips look so much better.
They were pretty bad, weren't
They
they? I
were.
remember.
The polar white painted on the underside.
You want to put new nuts all around through it, or these are... Oh, they are new, good.
So before
You
anyone
use that one, surely.
before anyone comments, we're not leaving the red leads on there. So please don't comment about the red leads. They're going to be black.
We hate the red leaves.
We don't want red leads on there because it does not go with the theme of the purple.
Can you reach your hand up there and push that top?
Anyway, we'll bring you back in when this thing is ready to start. Going for start.
You got to start your bastard.
Yeah, go. He's not.
again. Crank.
You got to put a fair bit in, man.
And Claire, just watch the oil pressure light. After it starts, it should nick off in about 5 seconds. Okay?
Turn the light again. And crank it.
Apple juice.
That was a whole heap of spraying.
Oh, is it? Okay.
I thought that would have started it.
It has fired one again.
Yeah.
Go for it, Claire.
Yeah.
Yes, please. Normally be cold and touch me like that. show you where my finger is. It's already hot because it's been sitting there for a while. So the solenoid with the starter motor is not ideal. So starter motor.
Also, it's been sitting there for a while.
Yeah, last time we had the solenoid too, if I recall.
When you hit it last time.
Yeah. So it's not throwing out, which either means it's bad earth contact, bad power contact, or it's sticking. It needs a running.
Needs a beam off friendly.
I've got a couple at home. I can clean one up too.
Yeah. We'll put oil in the oil bath and stick it on. Sounds nice, guys.
Sounds good, doesn't it? Yeah.
First cranked it, I heard cack. I'm going, oh shit.
Sounds smooth.
No, it sounds really good.
Basically what he did in my dream.
Yeah. Good.
Good.
Excellent.
All right, Elle is all back together and purring. Thank you, Nick. Thank you, Oven Boy. Thank you, Mark.
You're fine with that, guys.
But you missed a bit.
All right, guys. Well, she's all back together. It's sounding amazing, and we'll get a bit of a test drive video in a later stage, so stay tuned for that one. And thanks for watching. We'll see you in another video.
Yep.